A major breakthrough tonight in a cold case from more than a half-century ago. Maybe the oldest case where DNA evidence led to an arrest. News 12's crime reporter Krista McNally live in Valley Stream. Wow, Krista, quite a story.
That's right. In 1968, Diane Cusick was found murdered in her car in the parking lot of the Green Acres Mall. Now, back then, there was a drive-in movie theater in this area, and that is what recently led Suffolk police to tipping off Nassau County Police that someone currently in jail in New Jersey may have committed a crime near that drive-in movie. And that narrowed it down and led to a DNA match.
I never thought I'd see this day. I had given up. But all these people got justice for me.
Darlene Altman waited more than 50 years to get some closure after her mother's murder. And it was decades-old DNA and information from the officer who was one of the first on scene that led the district attorney to charge 75-year-old Richard Cottingham with murder.
In this case, technology changed. Our witnesses finding an old police officer that remembered that original scene because they never erase in their mind what happened that day.
The district attorney's office says Cusick was going to the mall for shoes and never returned.
Diane Cusick was brutally beaten, murdered, and raped in that car.
Her father, Bernard, went to the car, opened the door, and found Diane lying in the back seat.
Cusick's daughter was in court today, watching the bedside arraignment of her mother's alleged murderer.
Defendant pleads not guilty.
Cottingham is an alleged serial killer who is already in prison for a series of gruesome murders that date back to the 70s. The murders earned him the nickname of the Times Square Torso Killer.
It was very overwhelming. He just had like this dead stare. I felt like he was looking right at me. It was creepy, to be, for lack of a better word.
If convicted, this would be the 12th murder that Cottingham is guilty of. He is due back in court on August 18th. Doug?
Wow. Krista, has that DNA technology led to other cold cases around?
Well, Nassau police say specifically with this case, they have now opened up 5 other cold cases and have submitted DNA to see if they match Cottingham's. Cottingham has in the past said that he had committed up to 100 murders. For now, we're in Valley Stream. Krista McNally, News 12, Long Island.